mali doon, yung establishment ng mga bahay pag-asa was left as responsibility of the local government units. Alam naman natin na yung ibang LGUs walang funds na available. Dapat yan, kung i-involve mo sa establishment ng ng bahay pag-asa, ang LGUs, it should be jointly with the national government. Yan ang dapat ginawa.
This has been included in the amendment.
Yes, yes. Yung paggawa ng mga training center, yan. Pagkatapos, merong establishment ng bahay pag-asa na solely under the responsibility, solely under the responsibility of the national government. But those under the constructed and maintained under the local government units will continue to operate. Ganun naman.